Imagine this. You're cruising down the highway in a massive pickup truck, turning heads and leaving a trail of awe in your wake. The wind is in your hair, the sound of the road beneath you is music to your ears, and the sense of power and confidence you feel behind the wheel is unmatched. And this, my friends, is exactly what you'll experience when you get behind the wheel of the all-new GMC Hummer EV. Before we dive into the review and my thoughts, let's take a step back and look at the history of the Hummer brand. From its military roots to its status as a symbol of excess during the 2000s, the Hummer has been a polarizing figure in the automotive world. However, with the advent of electric vehicles, the Hummer has been reborn, now as an all-electric SUV and pickup truck, ready to take on the world once again. And this latest iteration, the Hummer EV, is nothing short of a game changer. This is a super truck with an electric all-wheel drive system producing 1,000 horsepower and 1,200 pound-feet of torque. This truck is ready to blast off the line at a moment's notice. And with its impressive driving range of 329 miles and fast charging capabilities, you'll never have to sacrifice performance for practicality. Not to say that the Hummer is the most practical vehicle out there. So buckle in for the review. The GMC Hummer EV is here and it's ready to take on the world. The 2022 GMC Hummer EV pickup is a revolution in the world of electric vehicles. With its aggressive design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology, this truck is set to take the market by storm. I had the opportunity to drive this one for a week, and I must say I was blown away by its capabilities. While the bulk of my time with the $110,000 truck took place during a week of Seattle rain, I did also get to drive it in sunny Arizona as well, even taking it off-road. That said, let's start with its design. The Hummer EV is a massive vehicle and it commands attention wherever it goes. From its wide stance to its towering height, this truck is designed to make a statement. The front grille is massive and shines with glowing LED lights, while the electric motors are housed in blacked out wheel wells. The Hummer also comes with removable roof panels, which give you an open air experience. And this isn't something I was willing to test in the aforementioned rain. The interior of the Hummer EV is just as impressive as its exterior. The cabin is spacious and well appointed with supportive front seats and ample headroom and legroom for tall drivers and passengers. The dashboard is chunky and upright and it's anchored by a pair of large displays. Lunar motifs abound, including a topographic design on the floor mats, crater graphics on the speakers, and a moon boot print on the driver's footrest. The infotainment system is also top-notch with a large touchscreen that impresses with its intuitive menus, crisp graphics. Of course, you get support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to access the functionality of your smartphone right on the screen. But the real magic of the Hummer EV lies in its performance. The truck is equipped with an electric all-wheel drive system, which consists of one electric motor for the front wheels and two motors for the rear wheels. In total, the system generates an astounding 1,000 horsepower and 1,200 pound-feet of torque, and it feels every bit as powerful. The Hummer blasts off the line like a rocket in its watts to freedom, or WTF, launch control mode, and it can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. The electric powertrain is also smooth and easy to modulate, making the Hummer a confident and relaxed vehicle to drive in town and on the highway. But the Hummer EV is more than just a straight line speedster. This truck handles the road with grace and poise thanks to its adaptive air suspension and four-wheel steering system. The Hummer glides over bumps and dips in the road, and the suspension does a great job of controlling body lean around turns. The quick and lightly weighted steering makes this massive pickup truck feel nimble, and its tight turning circle makes it a breeze to maneuver in tight spaces. The Hummer's off-road capabilities are also nothing short of impressive. The truck boasts 13 inches of suspension travel and up to 16 inches of ground clearance, which allows it to crawl and articulate across rough terrain while keeping all four wheels on the ground. The torque vectoring system expertly shuttles power to the wheels with the most traction, while the front and rear locking differentials provide added low-speed grip when the terrain gets hairy. The Hummer's big 35-inch tires provide excellent grip on loose surfaces, and the four-wheel steering system makes it easy to maneuver around obstacles. It also allows the truck to crab walk diagonally, which is especially handy on off-camber trails. trails. There are also several cameras on the truck, which you can access at any time, including when off-roading, allowing you to make informed decisions about where and how you need to maneuver. In terms of efficiency, the Hummer EV gets an estimated 51 mpge in the city and 43 on the highway, which is decent, but not exactly energy efficient. The truck has a roughly 200 kilowatt hour battery pack that enables 329 miles of driving range on a full charge, and this is right in line with competitors like the Ford F-150 Lightning. The Hummer can recoup up to 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes when plugged into a DC fast charging station, but a full charge from a 240 volt outlet or a level 2 public charging station can take anywhere from 16 to 24 hours. And of course, all this capability comes with a price, and the Hummer EV is no exception. Again, with an estimated driving range of 329 miles and a price of over $110,000 as configured in the model I tested, this truck isn't cheap. But if you're looking for a truck that's as capable on the highway as it is on the rough terrain, the GMC Hummer EV is a must consider option. There aren't a lot of heavy duty EV super trucks out there, so if that's the market you're buying in, then this is one to consider. The 2022 GMC Hummer EV pickup is a game changer in the world of electric vehicles. Its aggressive design, powerful performance, and cutting edge technology make it a vehicle that is truly like no other. With its 1,000 horsepower and 1,200 pound-feet of torque, this electric all-wheel drive monster can blast off the line in just 3 seconds, reaching its top speed of 106 miles per hour with ease. And let me tell you, experiencing the power of this truck is a thrilling experience like no other. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards, and I will catch you in the next video.